Mastering English Idioms. Unraveling. This is a curveball. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, "This is a curveball." Idioms are a vital part of mastering English, adding color and depth to our conversations. Understanding them not only helps in comprehension but also makes you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this intriguing idiom. The phrase, "This is a curveball," originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch that is thrown with a particular grip and arm motion, causing the ball to move in an unexpected curve. This makes it challenging for the batter to hit. Metaphorically speaking, when someone says, "This is a curveball," they mean that something unexpected or challenging has occurred. It's often used to describe a situation that requires a quick, adaptive response or a problem that isn't straightforward to solve. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom is used in everyday English. 1. In personal life, I was planning to move to New York next month, but losing my job threw me a curveball. 2. In professional settings, the client's last-minute changes to the project were quite a curveball, but we managed to adapt and meet the deadline. 3. In academic contexts, the final question on the exam was a real curveball. It wasn't covered in our lectures or reading materials. These examples show that the idiom can be used in various contexts to describe situations that are surprising and require a strategic or thoughtful response. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your ability to express the concept of a curveball in different contexts. Here are a few. Out of left field, something unexpected or surprising. Throw a wrench in the works, to cause a plan to go awry. Blindsided, taken by surprise or caught off guard. Using these synonyms and related phrases can help you convey the idea of a curveball in different ways, adding variety to your English communication. That wraps up our exploration of the idiom, "This is a curveball." We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your own English expressions. Idioms like this one make the language rich and engaging, and mastering them will certainly enhance your English fluency. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Keep practicing, and don't let those curveballs throw you off your game.